guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vlada, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of stubborn facial hair, blackheads and whiteheads. If you want skin that is totally clear and smooth, then do I have the perfect secret solution for you. Typical face masks can be quite pricey, but I'm going to show you a simple and cost-effective DIY treatment that'll help you to get rid of unwanted facial hair, blackheads, whiteheads, and dead skin. Alright, that's enough chit-chat. Let's get started with the mask. All you'll need for this mask are several ingredients that you probably already have in your own home. We're going to start out with a small glass of milk. The milk serves several purposes. Right now, it's simply used to help dissolve the other ingredients that we're going to use for this face mask. Next up is unflavored gelatin, which is the main ingredient in this mask. You can get gelatin from any grocery store. This ingredient will give the mask a sticky consistency, which is exactly what gives you the ability to peel it away from the skin. Once you're done mixing up the unflavored gelatin, we're going to go ahead and add a bit of baking soda. This step is totally optional, but if you've got baking soda lying around, go ahead and add it in. Baking soda acts as an exfoliating agent. It gets deep down into the pores to remove blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin, and other pore clogging impurities. Next, you'll need to heat up the milk to activate the ingredients. Let it warm up for about 30 seconds. Once your mixture is warmed up, you can add in a few drops of tea tree oil or toothpaste, like I'm using here. Whitening toothpaste in particular has brightening benefits on the skin and can help target trouble spots and pimples. Mix it all up and apply the mask onto cleansed skin. Allow the product to set on your skin for about 30 minutes. Once it's dry, you can begin peeling the mask away. Start peeling at your chin and work your way up, all the way up to your forehead. Instantly, you'll notice your skin is brighter, smoother, and more radiant. It's also going to be free of blackheads, stray hairs, and whiteheads. This mask is simple to make, easy to apply, and only requires a few ingredients that you may already have in your own home. Let us know in the comments down below if you decide to try this face mask for yourself at home. Also, be sure to share this video, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel. I've got new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching.